So tonight, me and TETO are gonna be playing Eternal Nights. So I am deleting the most annoying ones because I freaking hate them all.
It's me, GUMI, all of your guys' favorites. So I'm gonna play this stupid Eternal Nights with Hatsune MIKU, and then she sucks so bad that she can even right with her left hand, but she sucks so much all of the boys left her because the earth shakes whenever she jumps.
Oh.
Yeah! So,
Huh?
we're gonna be playing, right? Oh, playing, right?
Yeah.
Why is there no me?
What do you mean?
Why is there no me on your backpack? Literally, I joined. Like,
I actually have you. You see?
no, you don't.
Look.
Oh.
Yeah. See?
Stop.
I'm inviting everybody. Why isn't nobody joining this time? Fine, whatever. I guess we're starting just us.
You can ask the flowers. Ask the flowers. Telling you the bluebirds.
Skip. Okay, wait, that's all. We gotta lock in, okay?
I'm GUMI's your dad.
Okay, Gumi, we gotta lock in because we have no sacrifices.
What?
We have no sacrifices. No sacrifice.
Yeah, joke.
There's no sacrifices.
Oh.
Okay, anyways. I'm freaking scared. Shut up. Why is the cupcake always there? Man, the graphics got better. What happened? I don't care. I'm scared.
Be scared.
Shut up. Stupid cupcake is still there.
I know. Darling, that bluebird.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna check the cameras.
Okay. Oh, Chico's here.
That's okay, just keep the doors closed. Oh yeah, I see Chico leaving.
Can we just like stay here without
No. Okay, wait. Don't open the doors because Freddy's coming.
I got a screwdriver.
Oh! Wait, let me check if the cupcake is still there. Yes, oh my god, we're cornered. How? What? Freddy opened the door by himself.
You can hide in the bins.
I know.
Is he gone?
I don't know. Yeah, he is. Can you close the doors? Okay, thank you. I need to get my stuff. Don't take it. Did you take something?
Did you have this?
Yeah. What do you miss? No. Wait.
That's mine.
Now it's mine.
Ah!
Oh my god, shut up, Gumi. Anyways, let me check the cameras again.
Shut your ass up.
Nobody here.
He's still hiking scream as loud as an eagle. An eagle. I'm super hours. Telling all the bluebirds.
Everything looks okay. Why is the Auntie, did you go shoo away the cupcake?
Yeah. Shoot! Shoot!
Go to him.
Shoot!
Go to him, Gummy.
No!
Fine. Wait, look at him? Better touch him or you're locked out.
What?
Touch the cupcake or I'm locking you out.
Okay! Ah!
Oh wait, he's a prop? Bro, we were scared of nothing. It was just a prop.
Yeah, we're scared of nothing. Nothing, Mom.
Okay, we got this. Oh yeah, because I deleted the cupcake.
Right. You do know that.
That's Golden Freddy. It's like a staring contest.
Huh?
It's like a staring contest.
Mommy, what happened to them?
I don't know, but we need to find the fuse box.
What thing? That was just right now.
Yeah,
That was just the alarm because I thought there was waiter on. Why would you step on the glass?
I'm gonna step on it again.
Press the fuse box.
Wait,
I'm scared.
no, the fuse box is over here.
I
Yeah,
think somebody's coming.
we would hear them. I can't find the stupid fuse box.
Yeah. The bad thing is that I can't hear it.
Oh,
Imagine, this was actually FNAF 2. Oh wait, it is. Imagine they just had balloon for it. It just steals the batteries.
the battery went out. We need to find the fuse box. Get in the vents, I hear something. Every time I hear something like that, my butt tickle.
Can you move?
Go away, you ass. Okay, fine. Oh my god, is that? Look.
Who is that?
I don't know.
Is somebody no clipping on the floor?
Wait, get out so I can see it.
Okay, I'm not joking.
Who do you think that is?
Wonder.
Shoot. That's a badass. Man, they're so fast.
It's weirder than Bonnie, I was right. Oh wait, that's Chica.
I hate Chica.
Mommy, I almost peed myself.
Are we gonna just hide here for the whole round?
I think so until it turns 6 a.m.
It's better when there's other people.
Yeah, it's more fun.
This is so scary now.
Yeah.
Let's get out.
Hey, how about we talk about our life while we're in the vent?
I eat garbage for dinner.
What do you drink? What do you drink?
I dreamed that I could drink real water
Why don't you have your flashlight out?
because I have night vision. Yes, I found it! The fuse box room!
It's Freddy's house!
Ow. Bye. Alright, let's... What did you do?
Did we seriously forget about the...
Did you hurt yourself?
I think so.
Don't touch it. It electrocutes you if you don't have a fuse. So, should we go find the fuses?
Yep. Wait.
Because we gotta be quiet.
Imagine Bonnie's right behind us. You know you're making noise on the
Oh my...
Oh my god. I didn't make noise. I was crouching.
Can you revive? I feel unsafe.
I revived.
Hi.
Ah. Oh!
I died. Wait, how am I gonna respawn if Chica's camping? She's camping.
It's me.
Me.
Did you turn that on the fire?
Did she leave? Oh my god, you're all... What? Damn. He smacked his head on you.